Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on Domiso hair and let's get into it. So this is what is in the package, and you also get a wig cap and also some lashes there. I'm gonna open up the wig and show you guys how the hair looks like. As you can see, the wig itself has two different colors, one with a gingery color and the inside has a kind of brown, dark brown color inside there. I've never tried a color wig like this before, so this is my first time. And honestly, the first time I opened this package, I wasn't so sure about the color combination, but once I was able to put it on, I ended up actually liking it, so I was definitely surprised. So I'm just fixing up the wig right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and start brushing it with my white tooth comb and just to kind of get it out of that package. But here's how it looks like. Just a couple of things that I like about this wig. It has a band that is adjustable so that it keeps stuck on your head. And this is how the lace looks like once I've cut it. I just cut it straight. I don't have any particular way of cutting my lace. I just like having less lace as possible. And I put it on and I'm literally like, oh wow, because it's so cute. And if you see in the inside, there are some clips that you can use. So I'm just making sure that the clips are tight on my hair, and I'm now beginning combing the hair. I'm not going to be laying this wig down in this video, and you're gonna see that it doesn't actually look too bad without being laid down. At least to me, it looks pretty decent and I wouldn't mind wearing it like that. So I wanted to go ahead and put on my wig cap. I like the fact that the wig cap that they send to you is true to your color, because it looks see-through. So I feel like that is going to be great for people with different skin tones. And honestly, I prefer having it. If you want, you can also put foundation or color your wig cap and your lace, but I'm not going to be doing that, as you can see, but it would be better if you wanted to do that as well. This is the hair on with the wig cap, and as you can see, if you want to cover that, you can use some foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and start using my hot comb just to straighten out the front of the hair, and then once I feel like it's good enough and I feel like I prefer the way that it looks like, I'm gonna go ahead and proceed with the next step. But I'm just straightening my hair. My goal in doing this is trying to make sure that the wig is as flat as possible in the front before I proceed with the next step. So right now, I'm just adding in my heat protectant. If you want to see the one that I'm using, it's just the one that I've used in my previous videos of blow drying my hair. So I'll link it at the top if you want to check it out. But I'm just taking the heat protectant and I'm putting it all the way throughout the wig so that we want to avoid heat damage, even though it's a wig. So yeah. So now I'm just combing through the hair after adding my heat protectant and everything. Gonna go ahead and begin adding in some wand curls. now that I've had the heat protectant. So it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just gonna take the hair and wrap it around the wand. And once it's ready, I'll just release, and this is what I'm going to be doing for the whole of my head. And as you can see, I'm just brushing the section before I go ahead and curl the hair. So this is what it looks like halfway done. And this is what it looks like all done. I'm just going in through with my wide tooth comb and brushing through the curls. And I already like the way that the hair holds the curls. I'm gonna continue combing, and I'm just gonna comb both sides until it looks good enough for me. So I already like that the hair is looking much better after brushing it out, and it's looking much fuller after adding some curls and brushing it out. And if you want, you can actually stop with these curls, but I'm gonna go ahead and brush the hair again. And I like the way that the curls are definitely bouncing back once I'm done, once I go through it with the brush. This is the final product, guys. I'm so in love with this hair, honestly. I really like the curls in the hair. I like the color, even though it's something different from what I usually try. I'm absolutely in love with this hairstyle, and I can't wait to wear it out because I honestly think it looks super pretty, and I got a lot of positive feedback from my sisters and friends. So I'm so happy to wear it out in public with other people. I'm honestly happy with the way it turns out, and I wouldn't change anything about this wig. I like the way that the hair holds all the curls too. I'm so glad that I have a wig that's different from the normal type of wigs, so I'm definitely excited to wear it out. Thanks to Domiso Hair for sending me this hair. Otherwise, thanks for watching this video, guys, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit a thumbs up.